Sorry, most of that video was cutting out. But, as I said, we're going to check the gas. You guys see gas? Shout below. I see gas in it. Just don't tell me if I'm blind. See, I'm blind that there's no gas. I swear, I just replaced this. And I'll show you guys the old one. The old one's over here. As you can see, I got a shit ton of stuff. Or should I say not shit ton, but I got a lot of lawn mowers. This is the old one. The old one got grass inside it. Didn't work. And I got a metal gas tank. And another video I made comes in the post hat running, but the pole start broke. Yeah, it's going to be a fun time. I'm going to drive it around. And if you notice, chat below if you see something missing. Now you can see there's a butt ton of carburetors there. I got those carburetors for free by a buddy of mine. And I got a pressure washer there. Shout down below if you guys want it. It just got replaced, the pull start. I think the exhaust needs replaced, but brand new exhaust. I just used it for another mower. That's you guys the reason it's black. Now look at this dang exhaust. Got it for free. Look how shiny it is. I sanded this. Drilled the holes had so much rust in it that I had to use my drill. I drilled it. Just look at that. Look at that beautiful hole. Look what it's got. Now the boy here, the snapper. I want to make another video about him. Right now it don't run, sad to say. This guy, the Turo, I just replaced that part, and I think I need to replace the carburetor. So, I'm going to make another video about how to replace the carb. Or not how to replace the carb. Show you if it runs in the next video. Hopefully this runs, but it has a throttle. One of the hard ones. But yesterday, it was running as loud as possible. Well, thanks for watching.